Morning guys from Melbourne, a little bit after 7 a.m. here, just wandering up towards the Queen Victoria Market. It's a Saturday morning, so not too much going on at this hour of the morning, but I thought I'd actually go and have a wander around the food market area at the Queen Victoria Market, which is the largest market in Melbourne, and have a look and see what's around. Of course, you can't go anywhere without seeing the Golden Arches, and straight over the road here from the Queen Victoria Market is a McDonald's. Another site synonymous with Melbourne is the tram network. Melbourne actually has the largest tram network in the world, so we've been on a few of these, and they're actually free within inside the city circle. The area we're actually going to go and have a look at is the delicatessen area. Lots of cheeses, meats, some takeaway foods that we like barek. So it's very popular all the time. Lots of people come here early in the morning for coffee and such, as you can see out here. So let's go in and have a look. I thought I'd come in early before too many people got around. So we start off with tea and coffee merchants. Actually got the bratwurst shop here. I had a bratwurst from here yesterday. Came to love bratwurst from when we were in Germany a lot of times, and really good sausages over there. So the bratwursts here are actually really tasty as well. They even sell them, as you can see, but they're far better when they're cooking them. So like these ones over here. These ones here are on the go. Over here we've got a Chocolatieri of Melbourne. This is a stand I come to a lot. Bareks since 1994, so they make bareks, all sorts of pastries filled with lamb, potatoes, spinach, fruit bar here. What do we got here? Sweets, got baklava, chocolate milkshakes, Turkish delight, chocolate milkshakes, chocolate bars, Turkish delight. Over here we've got coffee, more barek over here. Chicken burgers, souvlaki, hamburgers. Actually got some really cracking looking toasties I've seen over here the other day. Triple cheese. Wagyu pastrami ruby. Looks fantastic. Now this is one of my favourite stalls of all time. This is the chicken shop, and they do these amazing chicken ribs here. I buy these all the time when we're in Melbourne. Plenty of cheese. I could actually just spend hours walking around here looking at the food and actually buying food. The nice butchers, fresh meats, fresh cheeses. Morning, how you going? Ladies are friendly. Got to have a look at the cheese. All Australian artisanal cheeses, it says. Yum. Look good on a biscuit with some wine, I think. What do we got here? Chicken fillets, sausages. This is called the chicken pantry. More chicken over here. We've got an amazing looking bakery selling quiches, sausage rolls, lemon wheel croissants, burnt cheesecake. Looks really, really good. Well, we got fish joints, smoked meats, traditional dried jerky. Who's this fella? Another chocolate shop. More chocolates. Bakery. Date scones, croissants, focaccia, chocolate cake, birthday cakes, custard tarts, and the good old Aussie meat pie. This coffee shop here actually has been going strong for a while. I remember buying coffee from here good on 10 years ago. And now every time I come here, it's always packed with people buying coffee and such. So let's come around and look at some small goods around this side. Lots of sliced fresh meat, etc. This bacon here looks fantastic. I could see this whacked on a sandwich with some egg. Lots of cheeses and dips. Fantastic for a warm night in Australia, sitting out on the deck with your wine, your cheese, your biscuits, and your beer for that matter. What do we got over here? Spanish chorizo, salamis, bruschetta, brie, definitely lots of cheeses, lots of hanging salamis up here as well. What do we got here? Dolomades, stuffed olive leaves. I love the bell peppers, they are amazing. What do we got? Octopus, pickled octopus, white anchovies, gourmet breads, yum. Lots and lots of really, really nice cheeses. This is definitely the cheese section. And sliced meat. Yummo. So the Queen Victoria Deli is definitely worth coming to have a look at. Don't come here if you're hungry, I wouldn't suspect, because you'll spend way more money than what you need to. Especially with all this great looking food around. Luckily, we're not from Melbourne, we're from the country, so I can't buy a real lot of cold meat or anything to take home because it won't make the trip. So if I buy some, I'll have to eat it, won't I? Olives, Greek deli. Actually, we came here yesterday and my wife bought some of these cannolis from this place here. And we had a couple of them last night and they were fantastic. This here is one of my favourite stalls over here. That's just a herb and spice merchant. They sell some fantastic looking spices that you can put in or rubs that you can use on things. I often buy this one over here, this Bavarian roast chicken salt, and actually sprinkle it on chicken thighs. And then I chuck them in the air fryer and bake them up, and they are absolutely fantastic. This is a Polish deli just next door to us here. We've been to Poland quite a few times on our trips, and my wife likes to come and buy some of the sweets at the back there, and also they make some really good pickles here that you really must have. It's nothing quite like a good German or Polish pickle in the end. What do we got? We're nearly at the end here at the traditional pasta shop. Got some really big anaranchi balls, homemade raviolis, homemade spaghettis. So yeah, if you're really into this sort of thing, like fresh food, artisanal food, this is definitely the place to come. We've got a wine merchant here. What's he got marked down? Lychee cider, hey? I wonder what lychee cider goes like. I think it'd be quite good. So I'm back to where I came in, which was right here. So I hope this has provided you with a bit of a look of what's around at the Queen Victoria Market deli area. It certainly makes you want to spend some money, that's for sure, because I love all the stuff in here. Anyway, that's me over from Melbourne this morning, guys. Hope you have a good day. Don't forget to stop by the Wild Family Travel social channels on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I want to thank you for all your support on YouTube. Our channel's ever growing, and we can only do that with thanks from our audience. So that's you guys out there. So from Melbourne, Australia, bye.